and sound at home again. Let the waters roar, Jack, safe and sound at home again. Let the waters roar, Jack. Long we've tossed on the rolling main, now we're safe ashore, Jack. Don't forget your old shipmate, folly, rolly, 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 ride-o.
Departing out of the Coen River onto the Potomac River and then the Chesapeake Bay to my hometown of Annapolis, Maryland. This is the first part of the journey. My boat, the McKenna, a Catalina 30, still being powered by the hardcore Atomic 4 engine, can make its way without any problems. My boat is based out of the Coen River Marina, a little tiny quiet place. But a long time ago, during the War of 1812, it was really strategic. The British sent in approximately 10 barges with 3,000 British Marines to take advantage of the plantations and to restock their boats for their attack on Washington, D.C. As you sail out onto the Potomac, you look across to the north and you see Point Lookout. And yes, there is a lot of history at Point Lookout. Point Lookout was a prisoner of war camp during the Civil War, established after the Battle of Gettysburg. It's estimated between 3,000 to 10,000 Confederate soldiers died at Point Lookout. At the old lighthouse, it is rumored that there are many ghosts from the old Confederates still roam the yards around the lighthouse. They're there in spirit for sure. As I come around Point Lookout, I shoot up north, up the Chesapeake Bay, heading towards Solomon's Island. Looking across the Chesapeake Bay, you see many, many huge ocean-going freighters coming into the port of Baltimore. There, they're picking up the local soybeans and corn and other products from Virginia and Maryland for international customers. Ahead of me lies the Patuxent River. There is a lot of history at the Patuxent River too. There's a little place called Patuxent Naval Air Station. The idea of Patuxent Naval Air Station first came about back in 1937, and at that time that was called Cedar Point. Now, after Pearl Harbor, it was decided immediately that they would begin construction on Naval Air Station Patuxent River 2 weeks after Pearl Harbor. After World War II, the Navy had thousands and thousands of surplus ships, and they had nowhere to put them. Well, on the Patuxent River, many, many ships were stored there. I really love the Chesapeake Bay. It is such a beautiful piece of water. What a gift from God. And as you're sailing along, you look into the sky, and you never know what you're going to see. As I proceed along, I know I'm getting close to my destination, Solomon's Island. What a cool place. Man, it was like established way back in 1680. You know, to process oysters. As you come around the old Cedar Point in the Patuxent Naval Air Station, now I can see Solomon's Island in the distance. Oh man, I was getting really excited by then. I love Solomon's Island. They have so many cool places. Go into different restaurants and have some old-fashioned steamed oysters and clams and crabs, hit the candy shop, or stop in at the local church. As you walk down the street, you're always going to find Solomon's Island Yacht Club. Not a cool place to hang out and meet all the local folks. My buddy John's house. Oh, I just love that construction. The Blue Heron, if you want to stop there, spend the night, it's rated in the top 20 in the country. And the views of the Patuxent and the Chesapeake are just fantastic. After a great day of sailing, I had dinner with an old friend of mine from high school, John. What a fantastic day. And more to come as I sailed to Annapolis, Maryland. I hope you enjoyed our videos, and I want to thank you for watching. Hey, have a cold beer on me. Go sailing and have a great life.